I'm just gonna go ahead and come out here and say it, guys. This is the baddest Fridge 48 TMG has ever built. This rig's going to my man Sean, and he went crazy with the customization. So let's check it out. Now, first off, it's hard to miss the wheel and tire package. So we got our XL wheel and tire package. That's a 15-inch mod wheel, 30-inch mud tire on that bad boy. He didn't stop there though. He went with our 3D fabricated axles, front and rear. Normally only do those on the tank smokers. This is actually our first backyard pit we've done with those. Really badass. You don't see a lot of pits that have that, so that's something cool. And on the front shelf here, he did upgrade to the stainless steel shelf. Still got your paper towel utensil holder there on the side. Now, like I mentioned, guys, that's our Fridge 48. So that's cabinet doors. We'll open it up here. Now, all of our fridges come standard with 3 trays. They come in a lot of different sizes. We got 36, 48 like this one, 60, 72. It just keeps going, guys. We'll make them deeper. We'll make them taller. We are a custom pit builder after all right? This one, just our standard Fridge 48 size, so 3 sliding trays. This is a reverse flow pit, so we've got removable plates in here. Those pull up out of there, lets the grease drain down. We've got a ball valve down there to help you clean that out. And he did get our TMG pit tell truth thermometers there, one in each door, of course. Step around on the side here. First, we'll start with our hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. Now, normally you'd have 5 sliding trays in here. Sean actually added a 6th tray up top. Great for ribs and chicken up there. It's got almost 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box alone. What's cool about our hot box is it runs independent from the smoke chamber. So we've got a removable plate down here. You can pull the plate out and get direct fire in here. It's also got daisy wheels in it. You start cracking your daisy wheels open, get hotter and hotter in here. Like I said, wears out ribs, chicken, great for doing your sides in there as well. On the firebox, we've got our fully insulated firebox here. Still got your fire management cradle in there. D-ring tie downs, one on each corner. Gotta make it easy to strap down on a trailer, guys. Come around to the back side here. So we have got our 6-gallon Cajun fryer. I mean, Sean just went all out, guys. I'll tell you that right now. Double basket, 6-gallon Cajun fryer. Got our propane tank mounted up underneath here. That way you're not dragging it down the road with you. Now here, we've got our double burner setup with the griddle top. This is the thing y'all see on our trailers a lot. We've got a 1/4-inch plate steel griddle top, folds up, 2 10-inch burners underneath, regulators out front. Pretty slick setup. Fold this sucker down, wear out some smash burgers while you're smoking your pork butts up here. It does got the copper accents as well. As you can see here, guys, normally we do stainless steel. He requested copper. We'll throw some copper accents on there. Really slick pit from my man Sean here. Sean, we appreciate you. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.